Chelsea Denofa. Chelsea Denofa. Chelsea. I like Chelsea. Does that mean that I need to like everything about him? Like this car? No, it doesn't. So big change for Chelsea, going with the whole yellow vibe. He also added a little bit of that gold hint around the back tires. So I guess that's there. You know, as much as I like it and it's technically okay, I do think the Mustang is one of the most aggressive and scariest looking cars in the whole league. You know, just imagine you're so driving around relaxing the weekend with your family, you know, you're having fun. Then you look at the mirrors and then you see this huge, like, steroid-infused beast following you, and you're oh, pretty scary, right? But then you focus your vision and you pay attention. You squint your eyes and you're like, wait, is that guy wearing a turtleneck? All of a sudden, that situation just is not scary at all. Overall, it works. There's nothing integrally wrong with it, but it could look so much better. And honestly, I want it to look so much more badass. But we can't have everything we want, right? We're 3 hours. It just looks like a promo car that you see at the mall. You know, I think a way to improve this could be to, instead of making it yellow and black, why don't you listen to me? Might be a little too out there. Why don't you make it black and yellow? I don't know. Am I crazy? What? In a song? What do I know? It's a little good.